Hi students, this is Ashok Kumar MCA, Faculty of Computer Science. Dear students, today I will discussing about how to download and install Java on your PC. Dear student, if you want to develop Java programs on our computer, we must and should need Java development kit on our computer. Dear students, if you want to install that Java, you can go to Java official website. Okay students, you can type on your Google which version you want to download. Here I give some example JDK 7 download. It will displays list of websites, and that you can click on this website. It will shows like this. Look here. Here your platform, it means your operating system, and that file link also listed here. Here Windows 86 means Windows 32-bit operating system, Windows 64 means Windows 64-bit operating system. You can download this file. Dear students, I already downloaded file on my computer, that is JDK 8. If you want to install that, you can double click on that JDK file. Then after click S button, it will automatically install on your computer. Dear students, I already installed on our computer, so it will shows like this. Okay, if you want to install, you can click next buttons. Automatically it will be installed. Then after, if you want to set that Java path, you can simply go to my computer, then after local disk C, then go to program files, then after Java. On that Java folder, you can click on JDK, then after click on bin. You can copy this path, close this window, then move to my computer, click on move to my computer and click the mouse right button, then choose the properties. Look here, choose the advanced system settings. Sometimes some of the computers shows okay. You can click on advanced system settings, then after click on environment variables. Look here environment variables, then after choose the system variables. Here path, you can choose the path and double click on that. Here give semicolon and paste that copied path. I already here copied. Then after click OK button, and next click on OK button, and again click on OK button. Once you want to check the path, if it is executing or not, then go to start button. On the run, you can type cmd, click on OK button, and that DOS window, you can type Java. See, it is the Java compiler command. Press enter key. It will shows like this. So Java environment already set on our computer. If it is not showing like this message, there will be an error. Okay students.